Hello guys, welcome back on Sopitech. I am Naveen and the topic of the day is Ninja Forms. So basically today I will teach you that how you can create attractive forms with the help of Ninja Forms inside the WordPress. So basically if you want to create just like appointment form, contact us form, FAQ form, inquiry form, then many types of form you can create with the help of Ninja Form. So without wasting time, let's start guys. Okay guys, so first of all you need to log in your WordPress admin panel, and after successfully login, just you need to visit inside the plugin section, scroll down, and inside the plugin section you need to click on the add new, and now install the Ninja Forms plugin inside this your plugin collection. Now I will search here Ninja Form. Okay, so now you can see that this is the first option, Ninja Form. So basically you can see here is the 1 million already active installation, and there is a total 4.5 stars. So basically if you want to know more about this Ninja Forms, then you can click on the more details and you can read it carefully that what is the views of developer of Ninja Forms and what is the latest features. Okay, and if you want to know more things about any plugins or anything, then you can watch my previous videos, because I already explained you that how you can understand that which plugin and which theme is the perfect for your website. Okay, so you can watch last session. Alright, now you need to click on the install now for installation this plugin. So after installation completed, you need to click on activate to activate this plugin on your website. So you can see this plugin is now activated on this website, and now again just click on the dashboard section, and now just you can see here inside this all tool section there is the one options of Ninja Form, it's added. Okay, you can see this one. So inside this one Ninja Forms you can see there is the many options: dashboard, add new, submission, import or export, setting, get help, add-ons. Okay, so basically inside the Ninja Forms you need to click on the add new. Inside the add new you can add your new forms, you can create the new forms, and you will get the short code of your forms, and then you can implement inside your page, post, anywhere. Okay, don't worry. If you want to give the some help of Ninja Forms, just like your feedback, then you can click, otherwise you can click on the not now. Alright, so here you can see this form. There is the blank form, collect feedback, contact us, delete data request form, event registration form, export data request, general inquiry, job application, questionnaires, quote requests, additional templates also here is available. The meaning of these all forms, that it means first option is the blank forms. It means you can click on the blank forms, then you can create any types of forms. You can create any types of input field, and if you want to create the just like contact us form, then when you will click on the contact form, then the title of your form will be automatically set up there, contact us. So if you want to use anything new forms according to your choice, then you need to click on always blank form, because blank form is the best idea. If you don't have any idea related from the form that how you can create, how to implement the title, or how you can change the title name, then don't worry, you can click on the blank form and you can create according to your choice. You can use input field according to your choice, according to your project required. Okay, so basically this is the blank forms. And similarly if you want to use just like the any event registration form, then you can create here from event registration form. You will get also all input field and selected area related from this event in registration forms. You can manage there only, just like the input field change, input field name change, title name, label name, you can change this all. Okay, and so you can create the event registration form, just like if you want to organize some events, or if you want to create the projects of some events, then you can use this event registration form. So basically you can need to click on the event registration form and then you can create it. Now if I will scroll down, and then you can see here is the template, additional template. So you can create the post, file upload, edit user profile, mail chip sign up, register the user, Stripe payment. So you can use here payment gateway and this types of form and multiple things, just like the template is always available here. But now today is the topic of only this form, that how you can create the form. So basically you can see, you need to always check that this form is automatically selected, and if it's not selected, then you need to click here on the form and then you can select the form. Okay, just like you can see here is one form automatically created. When you install this plugin Ninja form, this form contact me form is automatically created, and inside this one you can see here is the short code, here is the date created. So basically inside this one section, that's called the short code. Short code means if you are after creating your any form, then you will get one short code of your Ninja form. Then simply you need to copy this short code and implement on your page or post anywhere where you want to display. Okay, inside the footer section, inside the header section, inside the body section, anywhere where you want to display, just you need to copy this short code and paste inside your HTML code sections. Then this form will be displayed there. Okay, so basically now I am going to create a new form. So now I will click on the add new. Okay, now basically firstly I am going to create blank form. So I will click here blank form and it's importing. Please wait. Alright, so now you can see this is the blank form. So now I need to add here something details, just like which types of input field I need to requirement. So basically inside the left hand side you can see this white section. This here you can create the forms. When you will drag and drop or select any options from your fields, input field, then these all form will be created inside the left hand side, this white section. Okay, and inside the right side bar you can see here is the many multiple options. You can select any options according to your project requirement and directly you can add inside your form, because this is the blank form. So you can add and you can create according to your project requirements. So basically now I am going to select one input field. So for input field you can see here, if you will find here single line text, this one single line text, that's called the one in single line input field. So simply you need to click here and you can see inside this white section it's automatically added. So basically you need to click on any area section, any input, any field section, and after clickable it's automatically added inside your form. So just like you can see, I just click single line text, it's added inside the single line text. Okay, so basically see this single line text, that's called the label of any input field. So now I need to manage this one. So you need to hover on this cog icon. After over this your mouse on cog icon, just you need to click inside the cog icon, then this will be open inside the right hand side. So now you can change the label name also. Just see single line text. So I will change here just like your name. Alright, so I just change here your name. So now when I will update this one, then single line text will be removed and there will be show your name label. And now if you want to make this input field required without filling this input field, you don't want to submit your form, then you need to click on this required field, just like it will be automatically required. It means compulsory to fill. Okay, when user visit on your form, then they need to fill this input field. So basically if you want to keep required, then you need to turn on this button, otherwise you need to turn off this button. Okay, so basically I just try to turn on this button. Now I click here, and again after completed this one section, then you need to click on the done. Again, if you can see here only one input field added, your name. And now just I want to add some another input field, then I will click here on the plus icon. So now these all fields display here. So now you can see here, just I will select one another thing, that's called the email. So I will click on the email fields, and now I don't need to change this email. So basically if I want to make this required, then I will click on the required button, and again I will go back and just click on the done, and again I will go back and click on the plus icon, and just I will scroll down, and now again I want to add just like the mobile number. So I will click on the phone, and this one is the added here, phone. So now I will go again inside this label section and remove the phone and just write there mobile number. Mobile number or contact number, anything. So you can keep this one. Now I don't want to keep this required. No, if a user want to, if user don't want to provide the mobile number, then they don't need to fill contact number. They can directly submit this application form on the website. So basically after creating this one, now I will click on the done, and again if I want to add just like this, these all after added, just like you can add according to your choice, address, city, country, your state, last name, zip code, phone number, anything. And if you want to create, suppose that if you are a developer, if you have a basic knowledge also of HTML CSS, then you can create on the HTML level input field. Just like you can click on the HTML and you can write your code, and then your input field will be ready. So basically after creating these all things input field, and according to your choice, you can add the date, time, select image, multi select, select option, anything. Okay, so you can add these all things. After added according to your requirements, then you need to click on the submit fields. Just like you can see here is the submit. So I will click on the submit. So that's called the button. You can see this submit. So if you want to change this button name also, then you need to click on this similarly cog icon and just change the submit, just like send now. Send now. And inside this processing level, that's called the processing. So you can't change here anything because that is the internal dynamic database. So you can't change. And now simply you need to click on the done button again. So you can see here is the total 3 input field: your name, email, mobile number, and send now button. So now your this form is the ready. So basically now I want to show you another thing. Just like when you click on the cog icon, then there will be display one option, display. So basically inside this one you can manage your font family, description, anything, placeholder. Just like if you want to use the placeholder, then you can use here placeholder. If you want to send the default value, then you can enter here your default value. So basically just like I will use here only for this input field placeholder. So see, please enter your name. So just I created this placeholder. Now again I will go back and click on the done button. So you can see this placeholder is displaying here. So basically you can use only placeholder or label, otherwise you can use both. So you can manage these all things inside this ninja form through this process. Okay, so after creating these all things, now you need to click on the publish. When you click on the publish, then this will ask for title, because if you remember that initially I didn't select any contact us form, application form, event form. No, I just selected blank form. So I need to provide this form title. It means what is the form, what is the name of this form. Just like I want to give this FAQ form, just like FAQ form. So now I will add here FAQ form. Now I will click on the publish button. So now this form will be published in few seconds. Please wait. Alright, so this form is published. Okay, now I need to check if I need to check, then I will click on this cross button and it will be closed, and now you can see the short code of this form. So basically if this is the FAQ form, then according to this FAQ I need to add here 1 FAQ section, but don't worry, you can add anything, because I already explained you that if you want to add more info fields or more selected area, then you need to click on this plus icon, and you can see here is the all option will display. Which option you want to add, then you can you need to directly click there and add on your inside your form. So basically inside this one section, just like if I added this address section, then you can see this way is display just below of this send now button, because this is the sequence of this adding input fields. After I just add this address, after adding this send now, so now I need to drag and drop after this just before the send now. So just see, drag and drop, and just see, I will just drag and drop before this send now button. Alright, so now you can see, so inside this address section you can see these all is added. So now I have total 4 input fields: your name, email, mobile number and address, and now this is the finally send now button. So basically I hope you understand that how you can create this basic ninja forms with the help of placeholder, label and required. So now after creating these all things, I will click again on publish. So after publish this form, then you need to click on this cross button. Now after closing these all things, you can see here inside this form section, all form details, you can see your form also. You can see this is the FAQ form. Now you can see here is the short code of this form. Ninja form ID is the 2. So basically you can see here is the timing and date of this form, that when its form is created inside this ninja form. So basically if I want to display this form, then I will copy this short code. Just see, I will copy from here, and now if I want to display this form inside this some pages, so I will click on page. Now I will just scroll down and select some pages, and just like if I want to display this one on this front page, so basically I will open inside the edit with Elementor. Actually I want to create this form with the Elementor, because there I can use the grid system, attractive grid system. Basically what is the Elementor and how you can use Elementor, what is the meaning of this Elementor plugin. It's most attractive page builder. You can create attractive website inside the WordPress with the help of Elementor. If you want to know it, then I have already created total 2 sessions, 2 videos, just you need to watch on my channel. So you can search inside my channel, there is the 2 videos which is the depends on the Elementor. So you can watch, and then you can create and understand easily that what is the Elementor and how you can create attractive form inside this Elementor, attractive layout, attractive website with the help of Elementor. Alright, so now you can see inside this form, this is the front page. So basically I will scroll down, and just after scrolling down I will go back inside the bottom. Just see. Alright, so this is the bottom section. Now I want to add that form here, so I will click on this plus icon and select these 2 columns. What is the meaning of these all things? What is the meaning of this left toolbox, and how you can select the grid, how you can just like customize this grid system and layout things. Everything I already explained inside this Elementor videos. So I will just you can watch this video. I just mentioned the link inside this description, so you can click inside the link, and then you can watch directly this video and understand easily that what is the Elementor. Now just see, I will just click inside this icon option and drag and drop text editor inside this grid layout. Alright, so basically I will delete these all things, and now I will paste that code here. You can see Ninja form ID 2, this code is pasted here. Now after paste this one, I will click on the update button. So after updated this website, after clickable on the update button, then again I will open this website on my screen. So basically I will open here, just like I will go back, and now I will click on the visit site. Alright, so just scroll down and check your form. Alright, so you can see here this form is displaying here. I just give it the FAQ title, so FAQ form title is displaying here. Field marks with an star are required, asterisks are required. So basically you can see that your name is required, email is required, mobile number, address is the optional. So basically you can create this form, this types of form, and if just like if you want to manage the styles of this form, just like the padding, margin, border radius, border, color, font family, these all things, then I already explained it in the last video. I just mentioned the link inside the description, so you can click and you can watch and understand easily that how you can manage these all things, how you can customize this form. So basically you can see this form is displaying here. If I will click without filling anything, I will click on the send now, then its form will not submitted, because I already making 2 input fields is required. So basically these types of form you can create with the help of Ninja form. So I hope you understand that how you can create it. That is the basically blank FAQ form. And now if you want to create anything advanced, then you need to visit inside your Ninja form and click on the add new. And just like if you want to create a contact us form, then simply process will be same. You need to just click on the contact us form, and then you can directly click inside the any section which you want to create, just like the contact us form, event registration form, anything. Just like I am going to create event registration form, so I will click here and importing this form inside this Ninja form internal. Alright, so after click just like you can see that after clickable there, this all input fields is already created here. So you can see this is the event registration form, so these all option is created according to event registration, but this is not fixed. You can manage according to your choice. Just you can say I already explained you that you need to click on the cog icon and you can edit anything, you can manage anything, just like this label, title, and these all options you can manage according to your choice. If you want to add something advanced extra, then same process, you need to click on the plus icon, and inside from here all options you can add anything inside your event registration form. So basically you need to follow the all process, and then you can add inside your website. And after clickable on the publish, then one shortcode will be generated of this website, of this form, and then you need to copy the shortcode and visit inside your page or post where you want to display this event registration form, and just copy and paste there shortcode, and then your form will be display on that page or post where you want to display. Okay, so basically you can see that these all forms will be display inside the Ninja form dashboard section, and shortcode is the most important. You need to copy that shortcode which forms you want to display, and data created also you can see these all things. Suppose that after creating this form and you want to manage, just like you want to customize anything, any form, then simply you need to click on this. Just like if I want to customize this event registration form, then you need to click on this cog icon, edit section, and you need to click on the edit, and after clickable on edit, then you again same form format will be open, and then you can customize there. If you want to make the duplicate, then you can create the duplicate of this form. If you want to check the preview, then you can click on the preview. If you want to check the view submission, then you can click the view submission. And if you want to delete this form inside your indexing of Ninja form dashboard section, then you can click on the delete, and this form will be deleted from your Ninja form dashboard section. So basically this is the mostly process of Ninja form. So I hope you understand that how you can use Ninja form, how you can create the any types of form inside the Ninja form with the help of blank section. Okay, all right. So I hope you understand these all things and you enjoy this video. So okay, don't worry. So if you have any doubts, then you can comment inside the comment section, and I will reply you as soon as possible. And I hope you need to do more practice. When you do more practice, then you will gain more knowledge. Okay, so basically just try to do practice. And if you want to just like book individual session inside for your WordPress or a web designing, front end development, PHP development, then you need to directly visit on my portfolio www.navinpandey.in, and then you can book your session there. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video, and just try to, I think today you learn something new with the Ninja form, that you can create any types of form and just like you can implement on your website. Okay, so okay, just stay at your home and remove corona, because this is a very dangerous situation inside the world. So basically you need to focus on your health, and please help with some needed people, and stay at your home and just break the chain of this corona. Okay, so basically don't worry, and don't take any headache on your just like in your body, and just you need to basically most of important that you need to focus on your health. So okay, bye bye, take care, and God bless you. So see you soon in the next session. Okay, bye bye, take care.